Your body is a conductor. Yes, you heard that right. Our bodies have the incredible ability to conduct electricity, much like the wires in your home. This might sound surprising, but it's a fascinating aspect of human biology. Did you know your body can conduct electricity? This isn't just a fun fact, it's a fundamental part of how we function. From the moment we are born, our bodies are buzzing with electrical activity that keeps us alive and well. It's true, we think of ourselves as flesh and bone, but inside, we're buzzing with electrical activity. Every cell in our body has the potential to generate electrical impulses, which are crucial for our survival. Our hearts beat thanks to electrical impulses. These impulses are generated by specialized cells in the heart, ensuring that it pumps blood efficiently throughout our bodies. Our brains think and send signals using electricity. Neurons, the cells in our brain, communicate with each other through electrical impulses, allowing us to think, move, and feel. But this ability to conduct electricity also makes us vulnerable. While our bodies are designed to handle the electrical impulses we generate, external electrical sources can be dangerous. Touching live wires or faulty appliances can have serious consequences. Electrical shocks can cause burns, nerve damage, or even be fatal. Understanding how our bodies interact with electricity is crucial for our safety. By being aware of the risks and taking proper precautions, we can protect ourselves from electrical hazards. So, how does it work? How do our bodies, which are primarily made of water, muscle, and bone, conduct electricity so effectively? Our bodies contain ions, which are charged particles that help conduct electrical signals. These ions move through our cells and tissues, creating electrical currents that power our bodily functions. Let's dive in and explore the shocking truth about our electric bodies. From the smallest cell to the most complex organ, electricity is at the heart of our existence. Join us as we uncover the mysteries of our electrifying biology. Electricity might seem magical, but it's all about tiny particles called electrons. Think of them like a river flowing through a channel. This flow of electrons is what we call electric current. Some materials allow electrons to flow easily. We call these materials conductors. Metals like copper are great conductors. They're used in electrical wires. Other materials resist the flow of electrons. We call these insulators. Rubber, glass, and plastic are good insulators. They help prevent dangerous shocks. Now, where does the human body fit into all of this? Let's find out. Our bodies are made mostly of water. Water itself isn't a great conductor, but the salts and minerals dissolved in our body fluids turn it into a decent conductor. Remember those electrical signals that control our bodies? They happen because of charged particles moving through our nerves and muscles. It's like a complex circuit board, but instead of wires, we have salty water. This internal electrical system is essential for life, but it also means we need to be careful around external sources of electricity. Section 4, we're not quite copper wires comparing conductors. While our bodies conduct electricity, we're not as conductive as some materials. Metals like copper are far better conductors. That's why they're used in electrical wiring. Our skin acts as a partial insulator. It provides some protection from electric shocks. But if our skin is wet, it becomes a much better conductor. That's why it's so dangerous to touch electrical appliances with wet hands. Understanding these differences in conductivity helps us appreciate the potential dangers of electricity. Section 5. When electricity turns dangerous. Real-world risks. Electricity is all around us. It's an essential part of modern life, powering everything from our homes to our workplaces. We often take it for granted, not realizing the potential dangers it can pose. It powers our homes, our devices, and even our bodies. From the moment we wake up and turn on the lights, to the time we go to bed and charge our phones, electricity is a constant presence. But when we encounter external electrical currents, things can get dangerous. Electrical accidents can happen in an instant, often with severe consequences. Touching a live wire allows electricity to flow through your body. This can happen at home, at work, or even outdoors. This can cause burns, muscle contractions, and even disrupt your heart's rhythm. The human body is a good conductor of electricity, which makes these injuries particularly dangerous. The severity of the shock depends on the voltage and the path the current takes through your body. Higher voltages in certain pathways can be fatal. Faulty appliances, damaged cords, and even lightning storms pose significant electrical risks. Regular maintenance and awareness can help mitigate these dangers. Knowing how to stay safe is crucial. Always follow safety instructions, use proper protective equipment, and never underestimate the power of electricity. By being informed and cautious, we can enjoy the benefits of electricity while minimizing the risks. Section 6. Stay safe. Tips for avoiding electrical hazards. The good news is that most electrical accidents are preventable. Following some simple safety tips can significantly reduce your risk. Never touch electrical appliances with wet hands. Water makes your skin a much better conductor, increasing the risk of a severe shock. Keep electrical cords in good condition. Damaged cords can expose live wires, creating a hazard. Inspect cords regularly and replace any that are frayed or damaged. Remember, electricity is powerful and potentially dangerous. Treat it with respect and take precautions to stay safe. Section 7. The shocking truth about our electrified bodies. Our bodies are amazing machines, powered by a delicate balance of electrical impulses. Every thought, every movement, and every sensation we experience is the result of electrical signals traveling through our nervous system. These signals are generated by the movement of ions across cell membranes, creating tiny electrical currents that allow our neurons to communicate with each other. This intricate system is what enables us to react to our environment, process information, and perform complex tasks. This same ability to conduct electricity, however, makes us vulnerable to the dangers of external electrical currents. When we come into contact with a live electrical source, the external current can interfere with our body's natural electrical signals, potentially causing harm or even fatal injuries. Electrical shocks can disrupt the normal functioning of our heart, muscles, and nervous system, leading to serious consequences. By understanding the basics of electricity, the human body's conductivity, and the potential risks involved, we can navigate our electrified world safely. It's important to recognize that our bodies are excellent conductors of electricity due to the high water content and the presence of electrolytes. This conductivity is what makes us susceptible to electrical hazards, but it also allows us to harness the power of electricity for medical treatments, such as defibrillation and nerve stimulation. Remember to follow safety precautions and treat electricity with the respect it deserves. Always use insulated tools and wear protective gear when working with electrical equipment. Be mindful of your surroundings and avoid contact with live wires. By taking these precautions, we can prevent accidents and ensure our safety. So next time you think about electricity, remember, it's not just something we use, it's a fundamental part of who we are. From powering our homes to enabling our very thoughts, electricity is deeply intertwined with our existence. Embrace this knowledge and stay safe in our electrified world.